Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to finish up the power steering, get the Forester out so we can go pick up some things, and we'll get started on the Skyline. Stay tuned. If you are tuning in for the first time and you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so last time I started up it was still whining. Looks like we're not weeping at all from here. I'm just going to put the lid back on. I'm actually just going to reverse it out. Also, to get the carpet flat again, obviously when we start painting, this carpet cannot be in here because it will hold dust. Obviously we don't want to wet it, because then it will start like getting moldy. So yeah, we'll start it up, reverse it out, make sure I get the bumper off the roof. Got to put the earth back on. So I just had a look from the top down the steering rack, and it actually looks dry. It's only a little bit wet from, I think, a leaking water line. It says coolant down there. It's still bubbling. Thought, hey, I'll check the O-ring. Got it out. Not doing too good with these O-rings. Try another one. See how we go. I don't know where I put the O-rings. What's up, Piggy? Gasket. Alright, so I've put another O-ring in. Hopefully it hasn't pinched it. Start it up and see how we go. What the hell just happened? Like, just squirted out like a boy. Did I stuff up? I just put an O-ring on. What's it? I wouldn't have blocked the whole thing. But yeah, it's like right up there. Well, it wasn't squealing, but it was like there was no power steering at all. Yeah, that's not right. I'm going to take that off again and see what I did wrong. Hopefully I didn't push anything down into the pump. There's an O-ring down there, but I swear I didn't push an O-ring down into the pump. Hope this works. Yes! Alright boys, we've got the new O-ring, we've got new crush washers. Need more power steering fluid, which I think I've got some up there. I can drive it. Alright guys, we're going to get the Forester out and next to the garage, ready for tomorrow. Going to pick up some supplies, going to clean up in here, and we're going to get started on that Skyline. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, before I bring the Skyline out the back, I'm going to take it for a little drive. Last drive for a long time while we're fixing it up in Harry's garage. So I'll get the Forester around the side of the garage, or even out into the driveway. We'll take the Skyline for a little drive. Got a little bit of work to do on the interior here. Fans are on. 85. Yeah, good. We don't have a leak anymore, so we're getting pressure, proper coolant pressure. So, a window. Alright guys. What the hell was that? Alright, I'm going to move Al's car. I'm going to move the Golf out onto the road. Take the Skyline out. When we come back, we'll drive it into the garage. And then tomorrow, we will obviously back the Skyline out and clean up in there. Actually, might not even take it in, because I'll start on the front bumper. So I'll just park it out the back here, get the Forester out, and yeah. Alright, let's move the Golf. Oh, it's good to be in this car. Whoa, that was close. Man, they've moved. Yeah, it was on auto. Anyways, little drive, we'll come in the other way and just go straight out the back. You cannot go forwards out our driveway without nearly ripping off the front bumper. Oh well. Oh, I've missed this. Guys, a few things I need to do to the car before I move it on. Brakes. I'm going to do all 4 rotors and pads. I'm going to get it shifts into sports mode all the time. Obviously all the panel work. I'll do the panel work and I'll do the rims. Hopefully that'll make it sell a bit quicker. Got 4 weeks until baby's here. I want to try to get it done and out by then. Reckon I can do it? I think I can. Is that just recording? No. Charging? That's recording. Damn, this car one's a really long car. I've just touched. It's actually longer than the Forester. Because you can see, but like nothing. Anyway. That's where she's going to sleep tonight. Get the Forester out the front. Left all the keys in here. Silly me. Right, I'll turn her off. How's that? Close up? Shh. Just turn these off to make sure they go off. Not going to lock it, in case. Too many keys. There it is. Trusty old fire hydrant, just in case. Fire extinguisher, should I say. Hey, I've got a brake light out. Damn it. Hey.